Hello and welcome to Temperance Cottage, and I'm going to do a short explanatory video showing how the Bodgers Horse works. The Bodgers Horse is essentially a woodworking vise, but the principal difference between this and an ordinary metalwork vise or another conventional woodwork vise is that you sit in it and you make use of your body weight in order to hold a piece of work in place so that you can progress and shave it using this draw knife, which is quite a useful bit of kit. So I've got a piece of wood here which I want to make into a tenon. So I basically want to remove the bark from it, and the Bodgers Horse is ideal for doing just that. So let's just get started. I'm going to put the timber underneath the headstock. My feet are on the pedals, and the pedals will push forward, causing the headstock to clamp down on the piece of wood. I can then take my draw knife and I can get started in removing the bark from the piece of wood. Obviously I can adjust. The really good thing about the Bodgers Horse is that you can very quickly take the pressure off, move the wood around and change the angle on it so you can continuously and very efficiently work on your piece of timber. So away we go. There we are, a very quick overview of the Bodgers Horse, and with a bit more experience and practice you'll be able to produce some very nice and very accurate tenons and other bits and pieces of structural wood. Here's some pieces I've been working on recently. These are pegs for an oak based chair. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching.